Dear students, it is our chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor. Dear students, during last class we learned about the SCF. So do you remember that? It was SCF by finding SCF by using prime factorization method. Earlier we find out the SCF by factors only, by finding their factors and then common factor and then SCF. Last period we find out the SCF by prime factor method, and in that method we learn how to find out the prime factors of given number and then make the list of the common prime factor and then their SCF. Now see, in today's class it is about LCM. So all of you know full form of the LCM, it is least common multiple. Already we discussed about LCM in previous period, our last period we discussed about LCM. But in that class, we learn about LCM, how to find out LCM by making the list of multiples. By making the list of multiples, and then we find out common multiples, and then from those common multiples, we find out which one is the having lowest value. Then that multiple is the LCM of given number. Now in today's class here, it is LCM, but method is different here. So see, find the LCM of following using prime factorization. Using prime factorization. Now what we have to do? Here we have to find out LCM by using prime factorization method. So देखिए, take the example here. It is 14 and now 35. 14 and 35. So what is this? Here we have to find out the LCM of 14 and 35. तो बच्चों, last period we discussed about how to find out SCF by using prime factorization method. The same method is here. Only last two steps are different, that we have to see very carefully, and other in the beginning steps are very similar to SCF. So see, as per our SCF step, first of all we have to find out beta prime factor of this 14 and this number 35. See, it is 2, 3, 5, 7, it is 11, 13 like that. So what are these? These are prime number. Now we have to divide this 14 by one prime number. So you see, it is 2. Can you divide this number by 2? Yes, it is even number, and as you know, every even number is exactly divisible by 2. So we can divide by 2, then it will be 2 7 are 14. Now next to 7 is there. You see 7 is prime number. So 7 will not divide by any other number. It can be divided by 7. Then 7 will just 7. So see, these are prime factors of 14, 2 and 7. Now here 35. Can you divide this 35 by 2? No, because 35 is odd number, and if any odd number is not exactly divisible by 2. So next we try with 3. 35 by 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. It is 2. It is 2. So see, it is 3. It is 3, but when you divide by 3, our remainder is 2 here. It is not exactly divisible. So we cannot divide by 3. Now we will try with next number. See, it is 15. 35 by 5 से divide करें. 5 7 are 35. 5 7 are 35. So see, it is 5, then it is 7, it is 7, it is 1. It is 1. Now, prime factors, make list here. Prime factors of 14. Now what is the prime factor of 14? 2 and 7. 2 and 7. Okay? Prime factors of 14, 2 and 7. Then prime factors of 35. What are the prime factors of 35? It is 5 and 7. It is 5 and 7. So हमने ये स्टेप हमने बेटा स्टेप में भी पढ़ा था. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कॉमन फैक्टर्स. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज कॉमन फैक्टर. तो सी हियर 7 इज कॉमन. राइट 7 एज अ कॉमन. Write 7 as a common here. So you can write common as a common factor. It is 7. So next is non-common factor. Now non-common factor कौन कौन से देखिए बेटा? 2 and 5. 2 and 5. These are non-common factor. Common factor is 7. Non-common factor 2 and 5. ये नॉन कॉमन मतलब क्या बेटा, जो फैक्टर की दोनों लिस्ट में नहीं है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लिस्ट में है, मीन्स कॉमन नहीं है। ये दिस इज न्यू स्टेप। यहां तक तो हमने पहले ही पढ़ा था एचसीएफ में, दिस इज न्यू स्टेप। नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज एलसीएम ऑफ गिवन नंबर 14 एंड 35 इज इक्वल टू एलसीएम ऑफ 14 एंड 35 इज इक्वल टू सी, ये जो नंबर है कॉमन फैक्टर एंड देन नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर 2 एंड 5, इनका बेटा मल्टीप्लाई करना है, इनका मल्टीप्लाई करना है। देखिए नाउ 2 into 7 it is 14, it is 14 and then 14 into 5, देखिए 14 into 5, पहले क्या हो जाएगा 2 into 7 into 2 14 हुआ, 14 and then it is 5, 14 into 5 क्या होगा, 5 4 are 20, carry 2, 5 1 are 5 plus 2 is 70. तो see LCM of these two number it is 70. It is 70. Okay. Next, it is 70. Next number 38 and 57. 38 and 57. Now see, it is 38 and it is 57. It is 57. Okay. Now you know 38 is even number, so divide by 38 by 2. 2 1s are 2, it is 1. 2 9s are, it is 18. It is 290. 2 and 19. Again 19 is prime number. देखिए बेटा 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 and 19. These are prime number. So 19 can divide by only 19, so it will be 1. It is 1. Next. See, it is 57. The 57 is odd number, so we cannot divide by 57 here. 57 by 3, 3 1s are 3, then 3 9s are. It is 3, it is 19. It is 19. Again, 19. देखिए 57 को हमने 3 से डिवाइड किया ना, 3 1s are 3, 2, 3 9s are 27. The 27 minus 27 means 0. It is exactly divisible. So see, again 19 here, then it is 1. So these are the prime factors of 57. Now make list here. Prime factors of 38. What are prime factors of 38? 2 and 19. 2 and 19. Then prime factors of 57. So what are prime factors of 57? It is 3 and 19. 3 and 19. Next, see, common factors. क्या है common factor? 19, 19. These are common factor. Now next, non-common factors. कौन कौन से non-common factor? 2 and 3. 2 and 3. These are non-common factor. Okay. These are non-common factor. Now LCM of 38 and 57. 38 and 57. Okay. Non-common factor. You take this. It is 19, 2 and 3. ये common है and ये दो non-common है. तो into and into कीजिए. Into and into. अब 19 into 2 कीजिए तो it is 38. It is 38. 19 into 38. Now into 3 कीजिए. 3 8 are 24. Carry 2. 3 3 are 9 plus 2 11. It is 114. It is 114. So this way 114 is LCM of 38 and 57. 38 and 57. Next, it is 66 and 110. 66 and 110. आइए 66 को डिवाइड करते हैं और यहाँ पर 110 को डिवाइड करते हैं, फैक्टर बनाते हैं 66 के. You see, it is even number, so we can divide by 2. So when you will divide by 2, 66 by 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. It is 33. 33. Then again, it is even number. No, it is odd number. So it will be not divided by 2. So we will try with 3 now. Next number is 3. 33 by 3. 3 1s are 3. then 3 1s are 3, it is 3, 11, again 11 1s are 11. Your 11 is prime number. So these are prime factors. Next, it is even number, divide by 2. तो आइए 102 2 से डिवाइड कीजिए, 2 5 are 10 and 2 5 are 10. It is 55. It is 55. Yes. Now 55. Now we cannot divide by 2 because it is odd number. So try with 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So no, it is not exactly divisible. So we will try with 55 by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. It is 11. So see, it is 5 and then it will be 11. Again it is 11. So it is 1. Now prime factor of 66. What are prime factors of 66? 2, 3 and 11. 2, 3 and 11. These are the prime factors of 66. Next, prime factors of 110. 110. Okay. See, prime factors of 66, 2, 3, 11. Then prime factors of 110, it is 2, 5 and 11. 2, 5 and 11. Now next, see, common factors. क्या है common factors? What are common factors? 2, 2 is common. 11, 11 is common. 2 and 11. These are common factors. Okay? These are common factors. Now, non-common. Non-common factor कौन से लिखी तो 3 and 5. Non-common factor क्या है 3 and 5. These are non-common factors 3 and 5. Now LCM of 66 and 110 equal to. देखिए कॉमन पहले लिख लेते कॉमन वाले 2 11 देन नॉन कॉमन 3 5. कॉमन कौन सा है 2 11, नॉन कॉमन 3 एंड 5. मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए इसको अभी, देखिए इसे मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए 2 इंटू 11 22 इंटू 3 कीजिए 66 देन इंटू 5. देखिए क्या क्या बेटा हमने यहाँ पर 2 इंटू 11 22 हुआ, 22 को 3 से 66 and then 5 30 carry 3 30 plus 33 it is 330. It is 330. Okay, so this way here we find out LCM of these three numbers 66 and 110. Now next it is 48 and 56. Okay, find out the 48 here. It is even number, so we can divide by 2. See, 48 को 2 से divide करके 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. It is 24. Then divide by 2. It is 12. क्योंकि 12 2s are 24. Again you can divide this number by 2. It is 6. 2 3s are 3 like that. It is 3. It is 1. It is 1. Next, it is 56. Again 56 is what? It is 56 what? It is even number, so we can divide by 2. So 56 by 2, 2 2s are 4 and it is what? 2 8s are 16. It is 28. Again you can divide by 2, then 14 2s are 28. It will be 14. क्योंकि आप 28 को अगर 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे बेटा, see 28 by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. It is 14. It is 14. Next, now again 2, it will be 7 and 7 1s are 7. It is 1. It is 1. Any doubt? Now next, see prime factors of 48. Now what are prime factors of 48? 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 and 3. 4 times 2 है और 1 3 है. Then next prime factors of 56, see 2, 2, 2 and 7. 2, 2 and 7. Now common factors. कौन से common factors? See 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. These are commons. 2, 2 and 2. 3 बार 2 है बेटा यहाँ पर, ये common है. Yes. 2, 2 and 2. These are common. Next, non-common. Non-common factor. कौन से non-common? 2, 3 and 7. 2, 3 and 7. These are non-common factors. Okay. Now LCM of 48 and 56. 48 and 56. देखिए 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, then 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7. इनको मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. चलिए मल्टीप्लाई करने पर क्या आंसर मिल रहा है बेटा हमें? 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16. अब 16 into 3 कीजिए, 18 carry 1, it is 4. 48 then into 7 कीजिए बेटा, 8 7 are 56, carry 5, 48, 7 4 are 28, 28 into 28 plus 5, 33, it is 336. 336. So this way it is what? Prime factor method से इसका हमने LCM find out किया. Here we find out the LCM by using prime factor method. Next example, LCM of 45 and 60. See, first of all find out the factors of 45 prime factor, then it is 60. It is 60. So see, it is better, it cannot divide by 2, 2 से divide नहीं होगा, then we will try with 3, 3 1 are 3 and then 3 5 are 15. So see, it is 15. It is 15. Now 3, it is 5, 5 and 1. Yes? Then 60 को 2 से कीजिए, 2 30, 2 15. Then it will be 3 5, 5 and 1. So see, 30, then 15, then like that. Okay? See, prime factors of 45. So what are prime factors of 45? 3, 3 and 5. 3, 3 and 5. Then prime factors of 60. 60. क्या है प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 60? 2, 2, 3 and 5. ये प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ 60. नेक्स्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. कॉमन फैक्टर क्या क्या देखिए तो कॉमन फैक्टर्स से 3, 5, 3, 5, 3 and 5. ये कॉमन फैक्टर. देन नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर कौन से देखिए? नॉन कॉमन 3, 2, 2, 3, 2 and 2. These are non-commons. These are non-commons. 3, 2 and 2. These are non-commons. Now next LCM of 45 and 60 equal to. ये जो आपके कॉमन है बेटा 3, 5, देन नॉन कॉमन 3, 2, 2. आइए इनको सबको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 3 5 are 15, 15 into 3 45 into 2, 45 into 2 कीजिए तो देखिए 5 are 10 carry 1, 8 plus 1 is 90 into 2 0 and 80. It is 180. 180. So this way, here today we find out the LCM of different number by using prime factorization method. So this is for today's class. Thank you.